sounds like a little pig.
He's sleeping.
You're so good with her. She's like a little baby. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Too much eggnog.
Yeah, we give her way too much eggnog.